Hello again and welcome back to Language Script Academy. My name is Chris and today we're only going to be learning three new hiragana characters, which are ya, yu, and yo. These characters are used very often in Japanese, especially in combinations, so let's learn how to read and write them. So here's the board, and here are the three characters. Ya is written with 3 strokes, yu and yo with 2 strokes each. Let's start with ya. You first draw a small diagonal line, then from the left side a longer curved stroke that sweeps to the right and loops back inward. And then you cross through it with a diagonalish straight line. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Take your time with the curve as it gives ya its distinctive shape. Here are some examples. Yama means mountain. Yasumu means to rest. It's actually where oyasumi nasai is used, which means good night. Yama, yasumu. Next is yu. The first stroke is actually a pretty long one, so let's begin. You draw from the top left downward, and then, while still holding the pen, you draw a loop in the clockwise motion, stopping right here. And then you cross this circle with a vertical line tilting towards the left. Let's try it again. 1, 2. Yu. Here are a few examples with yu. Yume means dream. Yuki means snow. Yume, yuki. And finally, we have yo. You begin the first stroke with a straight vertical line that ends in a curl at the bottom like this. Then a short horizontal line from the top middle side of the first stroke heading towards the right. Let's do it again. 1, 2. Yo. Here's an example with the character yo. Yomi means reading, which you can also convert into a verb yomimasu, yomimasu, yomi, yomimasu. Let's write them all together. Ya, you, yo. And that's it. Now, you may be wondering why there are no yi and ye. There are actually no standard modern Japanese characters for yi and ye because these sounds do not exist in the modern language. And instead, the characters I and e that we learned in our first lesson are used in their place. Once again, great job learning so far. Make sure you keep practicing ya, you, and yo until the movements feel natural. And in the next lesson, we will continue with the next group of hiragana characters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice daily. And I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne.